Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Ward and this is my developed answers presentation for this week. And the first question is, are public schools the best option for future students? And I feel like this question can be answered in two different ways, but I received a lot of input from the discussion board this week, so thank you for whoever commented. And I liked the first one that said it depends on the home situation that the student may be in. They may need homeschool just because of what they're going through. And in my personal experience of being in public schools mostly throughout my life, I personally liked it because in public schools they're more diverse and there's more population of students. That gives you the opportunity to connect and make more friends, and there are more school activities for students to participate in, like sports, clubs, assemblies, stuff like that. And I've also had great teachers that have inspired me for me to be a math teacher in the future. And the second question is, how can teachers improve the public school system? Um, I also liked one of the other comments in the discussion board that said, staying away from worldly beliefs, prioritizing your students' education first, and to be like a second parent to your students. Um, and like the last one, because I have definitely seen um, teachers who have inspired me, not just as a teacher, but as a friend or like a second parent, that have like really helped me out a lot throughout my academic schooling. And they've definitely like motivated me throughout the years and just given me a lot of hope um, for the future. And the third question is, why are some schools corrupt? And I think this is kind of a controversial question, but one of the other comments from the discussion board gave me some input saying some students and bosses um, above the teachers, they only care about the money, which is unfortunate, and it gets them in the mindset um, that it gets into their teaching, and so they don't really care about what they teach, and the students don't receive the needed education or material that they need for them to succeed in the future. And that's it. Thank you for watching.